Hi guys, welcome to Boo's Motors. Today I'm going to be polybushing the front suspension and getting it back on the 944. Right guys, so just going to fit some poly bushes into the lower wishbone. I think this is for the passenger side. Right, so that's the lower wishbone all in there, so it's just time to put the strut in now. This bottom part here just locates over the lower ball joint, and then you've just got 4 screws in the top that go straight through there. Quite simple really. Right, time to fit any roll bar now. Just got like a little drop link that goes down there, and then the other 2 bolts just mount there. Right guys, so that's the front suspension all back on there, bar the track rod end here. I'm missing the locking nut, so I've just had to order one. It's M14 for 1.5, and I don't currently have those in, so I'm just going to screw that on there for now. Yeah, in the next video I'll be putting the front hub back on, get the brakes on, and yeah, hopefully get it a little bit further along. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.